Hallo zusammen, du bist Crown Cletus oder der Chris. Und ja, letzte Woche hat mich der Exitus, Crown Exitus, noch informiert, der Führer auf der PS3, dass es sich hier das Prototype 2 reingezogen hat, dass es richtig abgeht. Und da ich natürlich auch immer ein bisschen auf der Suche nach einem guten Game bin, als Alternative zum MW3, habe ich mir das jetzt einmal reingezogen und gedacht, vielleicht kann ich euch das auch ein bisschen schmackhaft machen. Ich habe es jetzt auch noch nie gespielt, von dem her legen wir jetzt hier gemeinsam los. Zocken wir auf normal, Durchdrehen kann man immer noch.
The roller coaster just as soon as my tour ends. But it's past your bedtime there, so say goodnight. Put mommy on, okay?
Okay, goodnight, Daddy. I love you.
She's been talking about roller coasters non-stop since we got back.
I wish I could have been there.
Yeah, me too. I miss you, Jimmy. We both do.
I miss you too, baby.
Yeah.
Scientists from the Gentech Corporation are still struggling to identify the cause of the event commonly referred to as the second outbreak. Elite government troops known as Blackwatch have arrived at the scene.
I thought all that was over and done with, but now they're saying this virus thing started cropping up again. Jimmy, I'm worried here.
Hey, I need you to try and relax, all right? I'm gonna be home in a couple of weeks. And maybe we'll go stay with your mom for a while, just till they get things sorted out.
A woman was killed last night in Central Park by what eyewitnesses described as a walking corpse. Gentech officials have verified that the assailant was infected with the Mercer virus, which was thought to have been eradicated last year.
Now every time I look out the window, I see Blackwatch troops. Jimmy, they closed Maya's school. I don't know if we should be here. They said, just stay put, don't go causing any panic.
Well, then just stay put and don't go causing any panic, all right? I'll be there tomorrow night. Then we'll take Maya and go see your mom. Okay, baby, if they got the situation contained, there's no reason to doubt them, right?
Government officials are now predicting Blackwatch will declare martial law in the city within the next 48 hours. We here at Eyewitness News urge you all, if you do not have to be in the city, to consider evacuating.
At no point in the violence and mayhem matched the unexplained viral surge of the last 72 hours. There have even been reported sightings of Alex Mercer, the man largely acknowledged as the cause of the catastrophic outbreak.
I'm sorry. I just feel so far away from you guys.
I miss you, Daddy.
I miss you too, baby girl. But don't worry. Daddy's coming home.
Ninja 3-3, this is Shogun. How copy? Ballista 1-1 is Oscar Mike. ETA 2 minutes. Maintain present course.
Why are we even here? We're supposed to be peacekeepers, handling civilians and shit. Give this red zone bullshit to fucking Blackwatch.
Shit. You want to leave a patrol mission up to those fucking baby killers? They just as soon blow this city to Kingdom Come.
Yeah, I heard that, man.
Caution, caution.
What is the status of your squad? Ninja 3-3, this is Shogun. Radio check. Ninja 3-3, do you need CAS evac?
Shogun, this is Ninja 3-3.
Copy, 3-3. What's your squad status?
Verifying. Holy shit. Alex Mercer.
Alex Mercer? Oh, shit. Red Crown, we've got Alex Mercer in RZ Grid 3-4. Alex Mercer is in the AO. RZ Grid 3-4. We are awaiting your command.
Ninja 3-3, this is Red Crown. We're sending reinforcements to your location. Do not pursue Mercer. Repeat.
Red Crown, be advised. I'm not in fucking Blackwatch. What the?
What else you got?
The hell is this punk up to?
Also eigentlich hat er mit seinem Messerli da gar keine Chance. He?
What? You think I won't follow you in there?
Also allzu viel kann man nicht machen. Folgen wir einfach dort mal Alex Mercer, das war ja eigentlich die Spielfigur vom ersten Teil gewesen.
Hello? Please help me! Oh God, help me!
Shit.
Ja gut, ja. Also das Game ist nur ab 18, ja. Oder wäre eigentlich ab 18. Ich nehme an, dass die meisten, die da zuschauen, noch nicht so alt sind.
Don't you run from me!
Sergeant Heller, you are trespassing on Blackwatch territory. You are to hold your position. A personnel carrier is inbound.
Geile Sicht, mal der Heli wegkickt.
Okay. You done running?
Heilige Scheiße, das ist ein Riesenteil, Mann. Okay. Ah ja, sie drücken jetzt eigentlich all die Knöpfe, die da sind, ja. Ah, schau jetzt an, man muss nach unten. Ah, gut, ja. Ganz geil, einfach nur den Stick zum Körper ziehen. Und dann sagt das kann ich sauber.
How's a virus make something like that?
Get the fuck off of me!
Hunger am Abend schon schön lesen, was er dort sagt. Also es war schon mal einigermaßen spannend gewesen. Ist geil gemacht mit dem Schwarz-Weiß und nur mit Shotgun. Hülsen sind farbig. Okay, jetzt ist er also auch infiziert worden.
No man should have survived this. His system is flooded with the virus. Which is why you're going to run these experiments, Doctor.
And if you don't like the results, Colonel Rooks, then what?
Heller is Gentech property now. Things go sour, you burn the room.
Burn the... No, absolutely not. This specimen is priceless.
Colonel said burn it. That's what you're gonna do.
It's time to begin.
Is this?
Aha, okay, also einmal drücken zum Schlagen und drauf bleiben. Zum härter reinschlagen.
Colonel, please, we must learn all we can about the subject.
Hey, I can hear you! I'm gonna kill you when I get out of here. Hey! You hear me?
That's enough. He's too dangerous. Burn him. Rooks, you can't. He's far too valuable. You're out of order, Koenig. Lieutenant Riley, hit the switch. Yes, sir. Burn were given per Colonel Douglas Rooks, 0223 hours.
No, Scheiße.
Get cleaned up and recovery in there. Make sure he's dead. Damn you, Colonel, this is no place we
No signs of life, sir.
Make sure I don't need another Mercer running around.
Yes, sir.
Shit! Shoot him!
Damn it! Release those specimen groups! Do it now!
Oh, Jesus, fuck, get me out of here!
Incredible! It healed him.
Ganz geil.
What did he do to me?
Riley, keep burning him. Gladly, sir. Heller, eat them. Eat them to survive. Shut the fuck up, Doc.
Shut the
All
fuck
essential
up.
personnel evacuate. I need a perimeter defense on this building.
Also gut, mit B packen und mit Y kann man sie dann aufsaugen, damit man mehr Lebensenergie bekommt. Das ist eine Gebige.
Turn your ass to charcoal.
Yeah, das ist richtig geil. So ist man eigentlich quasi fast unbesiegbar.
Shit. Shit! The bird controls are dead. You guard that control room, Lieutenant. Oh, don't you worry. He's not getting out this way. Oh, shit. Okay. You fucking come up here. Come on!
Yeah.
What the hell is this?
It's what you're meant for. It's why I chose you.
What the fuck did you do to me?
I gave you the Mercer virus. That's what they call it, right? The same virus 2 years in a row. And the same Blackwatch, here to save New York. Wake up, Heller. This is no viral outbreak. This is a bioweapons test. Designed by Gentek. Controlled by Blackwatch. And blamed on me. This peon here is gonna prove it to you. James Heller, meet Blackwatch Lieutenant Mark Simon. Let it happen. Let it come to you. Let the truth sink in.
Mercer's interference with the New York detonation was bad enough. He cannot remain at large.
Oh, you afraid he might fuck things up even more?
I was on the Gentek team that developed that virus, Simon. In 1964. I will not see my life's work ruined.
What the hell was that?
Every living thing you consume makes you stronger. You take their shapes, and you take their memories.
I've heard you talking. I've seen your weird virus shit, but I haven't seen nothing that'll make me believe you over them.
No? They cut you, Heller. They put you in a cage with 50 starving infected, and then they tried to burn you alive. I didn't release the virus. And I didn't kill your wife and kid.
So what do you want? You want to fight them?
I want to destroy them. Blackwatch and Gentek and their virus. And I want your help. But there's something you need to do first. Gentek's been experimenting with the virus, making all kinds of infected creatures. You need that DNA. When you're ready, I'll find you. And for God's sake, man, put some fucking clothes on.
Chillig. Schnell ein paar Kleider hermutiert. Also komm, jetzt endlich loslegen. Es war jetzt ewig lange Intro-Sequenz, 20 Minuten und eigentlich habe ich noch nicht viel gemacht. Oh, das sieht jetzt aber easy aus. Ist einiges los.
Viper, this is 2-5. I got artists in grid 1-9.
Copy 2-5, SOP, over.
Roger that, Viper. Okay, ass fucks, knees on the line. Papers are mine. Come on.
Captain, this place reeks. Permission to disinfect.
Yep, I come to that.
Hey, where are you going?
Hey, are you hard of hearing? I said knees on the line, bro.
Bro. Gib dir jetzt kein Bro, du Stück Scheiße. Boah, das Teil ist flinken, das gibt's ja nicht. Ist's geil, ey. Ist's geil. Einfach RT drückt halten und dann zieht er davon. Fast schöner als im Assassin's Creed. So, jetzt haben wir es geschafft, oder?
God damn, this is
ja, das ist wirklich chillig.
All right, I should get to higher ground. Find out where I am.
Blackwatch commanders, we have a missing Gen-Tech test subject in the area. Name is James Heller. The specimen is black, bald, mid-30s, last seen in a leather jacket, and is extremely dangerous. If you encounter the subject, you are cleared hot. Rattler out.
Yeah, you just try and find me, bitch.
Geile Sache. Scheiße, da können wir nicht rauf, Hier geht's, ja. Ja, nein, das ist so chillig, wenn wir die Wand kurz draufsäckeln. So, jetzt kommen wir noch da rüber. Was, der Typ kann auch fliegen? Nein, das gibt's ja nicht. Krass. Du hast sogar den Spider-Man einen Scheissdreck dagegen. Hey. So.
Wait a minute. I know this neighborhood. That's my church. Wonder if Father Guerra's in. Sure could use some spiritual advice right about now.
Alright, ziehen wir uns das mal rein.
But we can't do it without your help. Please donate today.
Father, I'm not gonna hurt you.
James? That is quite a story. But I don't know why you've come to me.
I came to you because you know things, Father. You hear things. I came to you because I need your help.
Yeah. I heard a lot of things. Most of it bad. The infection. It just swept everyone away. I tried to help. I did everything. But then there was Blackwatch.
What did they do?
Rounded up the healthy, put them in camps, gave them the disease, put them in cages with the monsters. Some old friends and we tried to get them out, but they caught us and you do not fuck with Blackwatch.
I'll be happy to prove you wrong.
If what Mercer says is true, I need to look into Gentek and Blackwatch. Who's in charge around here?
Fine. I don't know names, but I know there are 2 commanders at the hospital. They turned it into a command post. James, please, don't cause any trouble.
Father, if Blackwatch made the virus, then they killed Maya and Colette. What would you do? You tell me that.
Be careful.
Alright, das wär's vom ersten Durchgang.
What the hell was that? Am I fucking seeing things now?
Der Typ dreht langsam durch. Ja, eben, hoffentlich gefallen.
This ain't funny. Why's everything
Der zweite Teil kommt sicher noch, weil so viel haben wir noch nicht gesehen. Schön zusammen